In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix there was a problem connecting to GeForce Now. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to address any problems that you might have when trying to connect to GeForce Now. So this could be due to various reasons. It could be on NVIDIA's side or a problem with your specific platform, either PC or mobile. So the very first thing that you should do is to go over to the GeForce Now server status page. You can either click on this option here if you are on a PC or the mobile app, and it will redirect you to status.geforcenow.com. In here, look for any problems regarding specific games or the services. If you notice that any of these global services are offline, so let's say, for example, you are located on US Central, you are using this server, and this one is offline, or having problems, then you can either try swapping to a different server, or if all of them are not operational, then sadly, you will just have to wait until NVIDIA fixes the issue on their end. If the servers are malfunctioning, then you can't do anything about it. You simply have to wait until they become operational again. If you notice that every single one is working, then what you should do is first try swapping the servers. So if you are on US Central, try using a different one until you find one that lets you in. Next, check your internet connection and any sort of necessary updates. Go over to your Wi-Fi connection or an Ethernet connection and make sure that you are properly connected. If you notice that there is any sort of instability going on or your ISP is sending you notifications that they have problems on their end, then once again, there is nothing that you can do. Your ISP will have to tackle the issue until your internet connection is good to go again. And like I said, you should check for any possible updates. If the app or the launcher for GeForce Now is not updated, then you will run into issues. So always check for updates. Besides all of this, there is not much else that you can do. If you are able to get inside of the launcher at all, check the streaming quality. Make sure that you lower it accordingly because it could be due to too much data usage and you don't have the bandwidth to allow it. But if you notice that you change servers, you reset your router, your modem, and you still aren't allowed in, it's most likely an issue on NVIDIA's side. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix there was a problem connecting to GeForce Now. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.